A simple 3-step process is all you need to route through dovetails on your Super Jig. 1. Arrange the guide fingers. 2. Route the tails. 3. Route the pins. Super Jig finger assemblies allow infinitely variable joint spacing. To create your own layout of pins and tails, simply loosen the guide fingers and position them to the desired layout. Unlike fixed template jigs, Super Jigs allow you to position a half pin at either edge of the joint on any board width. Since each pin guide and its mating tail guide are on the same guide finger, wherever a pin guide is positioned, the matching tail guide is automatically set correctly. The pins will always align with the sockets. Simply rotate the finger assembly 180 degrees to route on the opposite ends of the fingers. It's simple and foolproof, automatic alignment of joints. On Super Jigs, through dovetail tailboards are clamped vertically in the jig, against the side stop. There's only one scale setting for through dovetail tails. The icon clearly shows the jig mode. All tailboards are routed at the same end of the jig, with the included Leigh E-bush and number 80 dovetail bit. For through dovetail operations, simply set the E-bush to the 10 position and install the number 80 bit. The E-bush simply follows the guide surfaces to form the tails. After routing all tailboards, simply rotate the finger assembly to the through dovetail pin mode, indicated by the pin icon. The pin board is clamped vertically against the same side stop as the tailboard. Pins are routed using the same E-bush and the included straight bit. The E-bush follows the angled surfaces of the guide fingers to form the pins. It's impossible to create a perfect joint without the ability to make fine adjustments for fit. Adjustments are required because of tolerances in guide bushings and bits and router runout. The joint fit is adjusted and set by moving the pin side of the finger assembly back and forth to alter the width of the pins. Each division on the TD pin scale changes the glue line fit of the joint by just 0.005 of an inch. A half division changes the fit by 2.5 thousandths. And a quarter of a division changes fit by just over 1/1000th of an inch. A simple recordable setting for a perfect fit, far superior to over and undersized bits and guide bushings, washers, knobs, and shims on other jigs. Settings can be recorded in the user guide or on the handy quick reference instruction pullout. Recorded settings can be repeated in seconds for the same perfect fit. This simple process works for all 5 through dovetail bits, on stock from 1/8 of an inch to 13/16 of an inch, on any board width up to the capacity of the jig. No other jig cuts through dovetails with the same ease, precision, and simple adjustability of Leigh Super Jigs.